Hatsi. I have reported to you this morning that issue ya gore lehatshe la Botswana ga lena insulin and diabetic patients are dying in large numbers. E amana gape le the two councillors ba ba tlhokagetseng recently
Honorable Moswaane,
ba
out of order.
bolailwe ke go tlhoka insulin.
Honorable Moswaane, please, you are out of order.
Balwetse ba
You want to say to me, people are trapped in Nyangabwe today, you are saying it is not urgent, and you want me to go and request a minister who is failing his job. One of my be very careful. Be very careful. People are trapped in Nyangabwe Hospital today, now. I had to send the medicine to them this morning, Kapolo, and you say this is okay. I'm not going to allow this thing to happen anymore. You can do whatever you want to do. You can do whatever you want to do. But I want this nation to know that you are failing this nation. Your minister is useless. I'm telling you today. If anybody comes, they will get down with me. I don't care. They can give as much as they can. Right? Yet you say the question is not urgent. And you want me to go and back the minister, who is also corrupt. Come here, I'll show you. Tomorrow morning, simply because he did not have an insulin. And you are hiding this to the nation. The office of the president today, they got enough money to go over and the summer while the council.
Four of yourselves. Let's throw him out. Four of yourselves come. Throw him out. Throw him out. Throw him out. Just throw him out. 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 I have had enough of him. Throw him out. I have had enough of him. Ow! Right. May we have order, please? May we have order, please? May we have order, please? Right. Ki tshokile ga se la ntlha mototege ra e mo parlamente wa just switch off his mic wa Francistown West a dira jana ki tshokile go ntse go le kae